Welcome to my channel. Orbi 5G Tri-Band Wi-Fi 6 Mesh System. 1. Ensure all units are powered on. Check that the Orbi router and satellites are plugged in and powered on. Confirm that the power LEDs are lit. 2. Verify internet connection. Ensure the Orbi router is properly connected to your modem via an Ethernet cable. Test the internet directly with a wired connection to the modem. 3. Position the router and satellites. Place the router in a central location and position satellites in areas where coverage is needed. Make sure they are within range of the router. 4. Check Orbi app or web interface. Use the Orbi app or access the router's web interface by visiting http://orbilogin.com in a browser. 5. Connect to the Orbi network. Ensure your devices are connected to the Orbi Wi-Fi network using the correct network name, SSID, and password provided on the Orbi label. Six. Reboot router and satellites. Power off the Orbi router and satellites, wait 30 seconds, and then power them back on to refresh their connections. 7. Check firmware updates. In the Orbi app or web interface, check for and install any available firmware updates for improved performance and fixes. 8. Resync the satellites. Press the sync button on the Orbi router, followed by the sync button on the satellites. Ensure the satellite LEDs turn blue, indicating a good connection. 9. Reset the Orbi system. If issues persist, perform a factory reset. Hold the reset button, usually on the back, for about 10 seconds until the power LED blinks. Reconfigure the system. 10. Check 5G connection. Ensure the 5G cellular connection is active if you're using it as the primary internet source. Verify settings and signal strength in the Orbi app. Thank you for watching.